Alam mo, nakikita kita ditong, para ka ditong nag-a-announce, isang anunsyo ng isang desisyon, no? Nakikita ko dito na parang ito ay isang final decision, no? At kitang-kita ko dito na parang you are very adamant, like siguradong-sigurado ka sa desisyon nito, like hindi ka na dito magbaback out or anything. Nakikita ko dito that you are pushing this, no? And you are making this decision dahil alam mong pinag-isipan mo na ito at alam mong ito yung gusto mo talagang gawin. So, ano man tong sitwasyon na to, just take only what resonates here, babes. Let's see. Yeah, you're pretty serious about this decision making because it involves your whole life in general. Ooh, I'm picking up that word lifetime. Let's see. At first, it might be confusing or a little bit confusing, but it did catch your attention. Let's see what's really happening dito. At ano yun, no? Ano yung desisyon na yun, no? Grabe, nakaka-intriga naman yun. Alamin natin. Could be seeing a lot of number 2s. You know, angel number 222, or just seeing a lot na mga number 2s only means that your love life or your soulmate is already around the corner. Let's see. Beautiful energies ang nakukuha natin dito, mga babes. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. Wala tayo dito gender, ba lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin po i-flip yung roles if you want, and at the end of the day, always have your free will. Hi pala sa mga new subscribers, ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, just take only what resonates. You know what? Okay, I'm getting that word investigated. Yeah, mga babes, no? And I think, iniimbestigahan ka dito. Wala ka naman nagawang krimen, no? Hindi naman tungkol ito sa pulisya, NBI, no? Or kung ano-ano pa, no? Mga babes, no? Nahuhulihin na lang kayo bigla or whatever, no? Pero I think, someone here is investigating sa inyo. And not just one, but I'm seeing two people investigating you, checking out on you, trying to know your background here. They're both ganon, but they're both being cautious with this Seven of Swords and the Page of Swords, no? The other one could be younger than you's age, but doesn't have to be. But this could be also as well baby face or young looking. And the other one is I'm seeing na medyo maingat siya dito sa kanyang mga more likely mga words kasi parang different siya sa inyo. Parang galing siya sa ibang country or baka iba yung kanya rito na beliefs, paniniwala, or magkaiba kayo rito ng religion, or baka may mga pagkakaiba kayo since naglalabas siya rito ng foreign blood. Yan, no? But doesn't have to be. Pwede rin naman na meron siya rito na dadahan-dahan siya sa pag-speak niya ng language. So, maaring may difference sa language dito or maaring may difference dito kaya medyo nagiging maingat siya doon, no? So, I think both of these people right here, kilala ka na nila dito. And I think wala kang kaalam-alam. You are the Queen of Wands energy. Wala kang kaalam-alam dito na meron ditong dalawang taong nag-i-investigate sa'yo because you are the Queen of Wands. Alam mo kung saan ilalagay ang attention mo rito. And I think you are focusing more likely in your own personal life, in your work. Okay? Yun yung nakikita ko rito sa success mo. Yun ang pinaglalaanan mo dito ng oras at panahon. Okay? May negosyo ka man or may trabaho rin, pwede rin parehas, no? There are two cautious individual trying to know you, your background, okay? You appear someone na parang mysterious type ka daw. And they're so interested in getting to know you. The other person could be coming from a different country and the other one could be someone here na posibleng same kayo rito ng race, ethnicity, or same kayo rito mga babes na ng pinanggaligang country. But I do see that this could be someone here who is young looking or younger than you by age. Both are not yet revealing their intentions to you, but they are both interested, Six of Wands energy, in getting to know you, Queen of Wands energy. You look so sexy, you look so gorgeous, you look so handsome, you look so intellectual right here, smart, everything na magagandang adjective, no? Pinakakahulugan na nila rito sa'yo and they are being quiet, not revealing it to you. They're really interested in you and they're working right here, you know? The other one is thinking kung aalokin ka ba niya rito ng business proposals or magtatrabaho siya sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo and the other one is thinking na makipag-friend sa'yo. See? They're both wanting to get closer to you, okay? But they're not that close yet. So, I do pick up two individuals right here, no? Pareha sila rito, kumbaga, no? Pareha sila rito ng levels. Kung yung isa nasa level 1 pa lang, yung isa din ay nasa level 1. So, I think, patas ang labanan dito. And I think you do not know who these people are, but because you are someone here na posibleng good-looking, posibleng impressive ang yung physical appearance, or you're just someone here na masipag, very attractive ang energy mo, no? You know what you do, and you know what are the plans you want to make, no? Especially yung future mo, secured na rito because alam mo kung paano patatakbahin yung buhay mo, eh. You are matured, you know? So, nakita ko rito mga babes, no, that in the future, both of these people right here wants to be a part of your life and wants to be a part of your world, no? Gusto nila makapasok sa iyong heart. That's the main intention, okay? And I must say that with the presence of Four of Wands energy, isa sa kanila yung posibleng maging kabiyak or pakasalan mo. And you are the Queen of Wands energy. The Queen of Wands is someone here who knows kung sino yung gusto nila makasama in life. And maswerte yung isa rito kasi isa dyan yung mapipili mong maging future spouse mo. Antaray! Okay, so sorry about that commercial if I had to pause mga babes. So going back right here, no? Yan, nakikita ko nga dito mga babes that there are two people interested sa inyo and one of them will be your future spouse at makikitaan mo ng potential na husband material or wife material dito. So I'm seeing you going slowly in getting to know that person here, no? Medyo nakita kita dito na medyo mahihirapan ka dito na makapag-decide kung sino sa kanilang dalawa yung pipiliin mo. It is because magiging dikit ang laban, you know? But, with the Queen of Wands energy, wala kang pagsisisihan sa mapipili mo because sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang Queen of Wands, sa lahat ng energies yan, wala tayong gender, kahit na lalaki kapag nanonood, no? Energy lang ang Queen of Wands. Ibig sabihin, ang energy na yan is kung sino man yung pipili mo na magiging proud ka doon at magiging happy ka, contento, fulfilled. Okay? Wala kang pagsisihan because once a Queen of Wands energy decides, sure na sure, gorado na talaga iyon. So, nakita ka dito that one passionate new beginning right here when it comes to love is coming your way. And I do pick up that this is something here you will surely love. And yung iba naman talaga sa inyo is, matagal na rin talaga kayong, hindi nakaka-experience ng love ulit. So, nakita ko dito that there is someone here coming in into your life. And good thing na itong tao na to na is yung the one na talaga for you. So, yeah, it's really up to you who you are going to choose from these two. But they are both giving a lot of effort, a lot of attention in this type of competition here in winning your heart, but it will not be as easy peasy because you are the Queen of Wands. Marami sila dito ang pagdadaanan ng mga challenges at hindi magiging madali na makapasok dito sa iyong mundo pa lang, lalo na makapasok sa iyong puso. But one of them will surely get that spot, okay, na maging iyong future spouse or other half. Okay? So, hindi pinakita dito kung sino, bahala ka. Kung sinong pipiliin mo, basta pinakita dito dikit ang laban mga babes, no? Sa future, may isang natatangi kang mapipili sa mga yan. Ano? Kasi yung mga plano nila dito yung isa, offeran ka ba rito ng may kinalaman sa work, baka gusto ka niyang gawing business partner, or baka yung isa naman no, is gusto ka rito na parang maging friends, no? Marami sila ditong plano kung paano sila papalapit sa'yo. Hayaan mo lang sila. Okay? Wala kang dapat gawin dito, no? Kundi ang abangan ng mga susunod na pangyayari at i-enjoy yung moment dito because this is something here na yung iba, ito dito para sa lahat, parang isa ito sa mga bagay na na-missed or nalampasan mo nung mga teenage no, or puberty stage ka. Parang na-missed out mo yung love. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba sa stricto ang parents mo nung nag-aaral ka pa or ikaw ito na posibleng, alam mo yun, no? Puro ka lang aral nun, no? Or puro kaibigan, pero hindi mo pa na-experience talaga yung as in love or magka-crush talaga ng bongga or maging kayo nung crush mo, no? Parang meron dito mga energy na na-missed out ninyo, no? Yung happy times ng pagkakaroon rito ng crushes or, that first love thing, okay? Na naging kayo or whatever, no? Nung kayo ay nag-aaral pa, no? High school, mga ganyan, okay? So, whatever the case may be, hindi yun para sa lahat, pero binanggit natin kasi nakita natin dito. So, finally, nababasag na rin dito mga babes ang pagiging single ninyo because meron na ulit na magpapatabok ng puso ninyo. Itong maganda, mga babes, no? Ito yung klase ng connection na nakikita ko na pag nagkatuluyan kayo, alam mo yung parang, yung iba kasi, no, na mag-asawa na, parang nawawala na yung kilig, hindi na masyadong kinikilig din sa partner nila, no, every single day. Pero yung sa inyo iba, kasi nakita ko dito na parehas yung mararamdaman yung butterfly sa inyong stomach, no, which is kikiligin kayo sa isa't isa, no, and you will be so happy, that kind of love story, like a fairy tale thing, na parang kasama mo yung pinakagwapo, pinakamaganda sa earth, no, para sa'yo, your Prince Charming, your king, your queen, your princess right here. This is all you want here in a relationship. Someone who will make your heart dig, 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 dig. Yeah. Okay? You want to feel that type of feeling na your heart is racing because you are with someone you like and that person likes you back. Every word that he or she is saying to you, it keeps your heart beat so fast right here, no? Tapos pabilis, pabilis, pabilis dito, no? So whatever the case may be, you want that type of love or you want that type of romantic situation here with someone and boom, someone will definitely come your way. Not just one, but you've got two. So, there's options right here when it comes to love, whether kung sino man yung piliin mo rito, I know na magiging happy ka with your decision and you will feel fulfilled. Ayun naman talaga importante yung salitang fulfilled. Kasi yung salitang fulfilled ay something here na wala ka nang hahanapin pa, kontento ka, satisfied ka, boom. Yun na yun. Diba? So, you will be in a very passionate new beginning here and things will get a little bit slower pagka meron ka nang napili because this is you, mag-enjoy lang kayo nitong person na mapipili mo, no, na mas kilalanin kayo isa't isa. And the more na nagkakausap kayo at nagkakakilala, the more na mas nakikita mo na tama yung desisyong napili mo at mas parang magkakaroon ka dito ng interest na mas makilala pa siya kasi yung mga magiging unang mga bahagi ng inyong getting to know each other ay magiging interesante talaga. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, may ini-embody siya na hindi siya yung tipid or practical pero tama yung pag-handle niya ng pinansiyal. So, kung sino man itong mga base na mapipili ninyo, yun ang pinaka nakukuha ko dito. Meron siya ritong financial management na skills at magaling siya rito na parang i-manage yung financial niya really well. Like, alam niya kung ano yung mga dapat unahin, i-prioritize na bilhin, ano yung mga dapat na asikasuhin muna kaysa yung mga hindi muna, yung mga ganyan. So, nakikita ko na maganda ito, no, kasi isa itong klase na kailangan, no, sa pagpapamilya. Yung magaling mag-budget, magaling sa financial, no, at nakikita ko dito that you will have that life. Alam mo, both of them are successful sa kanilang work. Pareha silang stable. Nakita ko yun sa kanila. Parehas silang may success sa kanilang pinansyal. Kaya kung sino man yung pipili mo diyan mga babes 'no, 'yan. Wow, 'di ba? Parang ikaw ito 'no, na alam mo sa sarili mo na tama hindi siya mapipili mo at ang maganda pa-bonus, parehas pang may itsura 'yan lumalabas dito. So, nakikita ko rito na talagang plakadong-plakado 'no, pati mga options ninyo sa love talaga namang have na have. Kaya naman i-enjoy mo lang dito ang courting stage ninyong tatlo. And soon, wala ka pang kamalay-malay dito, i-re-reveal nila ang kanilang self sa'yo. Planning na sila ngayon ng mga gagawin nila at yung iba nga nagsisimula ng gumalaw ng naayon sa kanilang target na mga pinaplano. So maraming salamat muli, ako po si Yan. Enjoy mga babes, no? And sarang kayo, love and light.